some of your Facebook chat, the Messenger chat, go to this thing called message request. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find this message request and how you can change the setting where not all the messages go to message request, because sometimes it could be very difficult to find and sometimes you might even miss it. So you might want to move certain messages that is close to you or connected to you somehow in Facebook into the main chat instead of keeping it in message request. So I'm going to show you where the settings are. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook marketing tips like this. Without further ado, let's go to my phone and let me show you all these things about Facebook Messenger's message request. Let's go. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Now, if you have a Messenger app, you can open up the Messenger app directly. For me, I just open it up through the Facebook app. Click on top right, which is the Messenger icon you can see there. Click on it. And then where do you check the message requests? Click on the menu, and then you can see here, there's a few things you can click on. You click on message requests, and there you can see a few message requests from people that you may know or people that they put it as spam, where they might contain any offensive content, etc. Now, how can you choose where the messages go to? First of all, you go to settings and then you go to privacy and safety. Then you scroll down, you can see here who can reach you at the message delivery part. Click on the message delivery. So you can see here friends of friends on Facebook. Automatically, friends of my friends, when they message me, they'll go direct to my chat. So I can see it immediately here instead of me going into message requests, etc. What about people that's in Facebook group or from the pages that you follow? So sometimes I like to message pages and then you go to message requests, so I don't see the message. So it can be very challenging. So what you can do is just click on this and click on chat. So anyone from any group message you, you go directly to chat. Even for pages as well, go to chat. I mean, you can put as don't receive requests as well. It's totally up to you. Next, you can go to others on Messenger on Facebook. So there's many other ways. So for this, it won't directly go to chat. So as they are not part of your connection, okay, or anything that you are interested in. So they will go to message requests or don't receive requests. So this is one way you can do it. But once you click don't receive requests, they are not able to message you. So yeah, so that's how you can check your message requests and how you can decide how the message delivered to you. Alright, I hope this is helpful to you. If you like what I shared, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. It will really help this channel out. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.